New weapons. In an incredible video, an alleged US reconnaissance drone attacked a friendly US Navy Stryker armored personnel carrier. The aircraft crashed at full throttle right into the open landing ramp of the combat vehicle. The place where the video was filmed is unknown, but the deserted terrain and the vehicles caught in the frame look like regular US Army Stryker armored personnel carriers. A fair number of these armored vehicles are deployed in the Middle East, particularly in northern Syria. The drone that spied on the armored vehicle was a Lockheed Desert Hawk 3. The small, hand-launched vehicle with an electric motor is used by the U.S. military for reconnaissance and artillery fire control. The foam body of the drone falls apart upon landing and can be reassembled later. Presumably the machine malfunctioned or got the wrong coordinates, although a prank by fellow servicemen with a simulated attack is not ruled out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.